Window air conditioner keep getting a E8 where temp should be when not cooling. As soon as reset cools for different amounts of time, then back to E8. What is the problem?
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
GE model A08 LXL1.
Do you know the model of your GE air conditioner? How old is it?
Several years, not certain.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since last summer and always reset. As I said, it works for sometimes a long while, sometimes not, but always shows E8 when not cooling.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Sorry, but that's about all I have. As you can see, I'm not good on figuring this out.
Hi, this is Gary. Press the reset button near the power cord for 5 seconds, release the button and the unit should go through a self-check for about 10 minutes. It should clear the code after this procedure. Hopefully then operate normally. The code relates to insufficient internal airflow, insufficient external airflow, or the ambient air is over 90. I would try washing the outdoor coil, gently so as not to introduce water into the house or the AC controls. Also be sure the indoor air filter is clean. This unit has a few sensors, and are sensitive to small changes.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.